In an impressive display of innovation, the Noali-based company has introduced the 660 platform into its product lineup over the past 4 years. This led to the launch of the RS 660 Sport bike, followed by the Tuono 660 Naked and the Tuareg 660 Adventure. However, there is a significant displacement gap between the 660 and 125 platforms, which means there's plenty of room for growth and innovation. Diego Arioli, product marketing manager of the Piaggio Group, revealed that Aprilia engineers have developed an incredible new mid-size displacement platform, the 457, which made its debut this year with the RS and will soon be joined by other road models. The absolute star of the show, though, is still the big-capacity models, which are kitted out with incredible Aprilia V4, like the RS V4 and Tuono V4 sport bikes. These models are up against some tough competition. In recent years, we've seen some incredible new motorcycles hit the market, packed with the latest and greatest tech and packing a serious punch. Aprilia has done it again. After launching the RS V4 featuring X3 Ma, a limited series model, it seems that they've renewed the V4 project. We're on the edge of our seats waiting to see what they'll reveal at EICMA. There's a good chance we'll see new versions of the two bikes, considering that they share the same technical platform. Not long ago, a prototype of the Tuono V was spotted on the road. It's still covered with a camouflage livery, but we can see that it's got some changes compared to the 2024 model year. We can't wait to see what's in store. So guys, please keep watching. From these spy photos, what most catches our eye is the design, where the new Tuono V4 has a redesigned fairing, with ring fins inspired by the RS V4 featuring X3 Ma and reminiscent of Vinales and Espargaro SRS GP, with the aim of generating a compressive force on the front wheel. As for the heart, the 2025 Tuono V4 is powered by a V4 engine with an updated 65 degrees angle, as well as the cooling and exhaust systems to improve performance. As for the chassis, Aprilia engineers seem to have kept the proven aluminum frame combined with a double-sided swing arm. From these widely circulated spy photos, the braking system seems unchanged, with radially mounted Brembo Stylema monoblock calipers. On the other hand, it is possible that the new bike uses an Öhlins semi-active monoshock. Last but not least is the tail section, which has been streamlined and could feature a new subframe. The taillight unit, which was previously located under the passenger seat, is now integrated into the turn signals, with the aim of reducing weight. So guys, are you excited about this new bike from Aprilia?